Hello everyone. Before I proceed further, people who would like to know market outlook in Hindi language, please click on the link given in the description box. So let us know what happened today in the closing session. After two straight days of decline, the bulls made a comeback on the D straight on Thursday, that is today, led by broad-based buying amid weekly options expiry. Among benchmarks, the S&P BSE Sensex ended at 52,300, up 359 points or 0.69%, while Nifty 50 closed the session at 15,738 mark, up 102 points or 0.65%. Let's talk about some cash delivery calls, ideas for it. So tomorrow you can trade in M&M Financials. You can buy at 172.50. Stop loss you can keep at 167.50. Target you can keep at 177.50. You can buy Pfizer at 5,570. Stop loss you can keep at 5,460. Target you can keep at 5,680. Let us talk about cash delivery calls that were given to you on 8th of June. We recommended for Lalpath Lab buy at 2,985. Target was supposed to be at 3,045. Stop loss to be at 2,925. Accordingly, target have been achieved. Cause that was given on 9th June was HDFC Life Insurance Company. Buy between 679 to 688. Stop loss was supposed to be at 649. Target was at 780. Hold the position with given target and stop loss. Uflix was recommended to buy between 459 to 465. Stop loss at 438. Target was given at 505. Hold the position with a given target and stop loss. Let's see today's top gainers and top losers. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, State Bank of India, IndusInd Bank, and ITC were the top Sensex gainers. On the other hand, Bajaj Auto, Maruti Suzuki, and Power Grid were the top laggards. Meanwhile, the broader markets extended their outperformance, and S&P BSE mid cap and small cap indices ended the session 1.26% and 1.73% higher respectively. Among other individual stocks, shares of Bata India surged 6% to 1657.50 on BSE in intraday trade today and almost hit the 52-week high of 1705 rupees. The stock ended the session marginally lower at 1635, 5% up for the day. Besides, shares of the recently listed Easy Trip planners hit a new high of 430.35 after surging 10% today. The stock ended the session at the day's high. All the Nifty sectoral indices except Nifty Auto Index closed in the green, with Nifty Realty Index and Nifty PSU Bank ending 3% and 2% higher respectively. Let's talk about global markets. So global shares hovered near a record high, and the dollar also held steady on Thursday, eyeing US inflation data for any sign the Federal Reserve could start tapering its massive stimulus. In early European trades, the pan-regional stocks Europe 600 index rose 0.1% following gains overnight. In Asia, where MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose 0.5%. Tokyo's Nikkei rose 0.3% and Kospi in South Korea picked up 0.3% as well. In Hong Kong, Hang Seng added 0.2%. US stock futures pointed to a flat open on Wall Street. Let's discuss about oil update. So elsewhere, oil prices fell as inventory data in US, the world's top oil consumer, showed a surge in gasoline stock that indicates weaker than expected fuel demand at the start of summer, the country's peak season for motoring. Brent crude futures were last down 37 cents at $71.85 per barrel. For more important updates, do like, share and subscribe our 5 Paisa channel. Do not forget to click on bell icon to get timely notifications. Any stock market related queries you can raise in comment box section. Make your investment journey easy and rewarding with 5 Paisa. Thank you.